Hello everyone, I'm William Majak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you or to teach you how to say I love you or I like you in Dinka language. So this is a mind-blowing and very interesting lesson. Please lend me your ear and please watch the video to the end. You will learn how to say I love you or I like you in Dinka language. Okay, the term what used in the video are here. The first term word is Nhiaar. Nhiaar. Nhiaar mean to love or to like. When you love someone or you like someone, you say I like this dog or I love this dog. Another word you have to learn in the video here is apaidit. Apaidit. Apaidit mean so much or a lot. So much or a lot. For example, you say Nhiaar apaidit. That means I love you so much or I love you a lot. Another term word we have to learn is cut. Cut. Cut mean run. Running. And cut apaidit. That means I run so much. I run a lot. Another word we have to learn and we will get it later is die. 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 Die is a term word that means washing. 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 That means and die kura. I am watching football. Another term word we have to know and we will get it later is tiang dia. Tiang dia. Tiang dia. Tiang dia means my wife. My wife. Okay guys, those are the term words we have used in the text. So let us go to the main topic. And the first one we have to know is Nhiaar mean to love or to like. Nhiaar na I-A-R. Nhiaar, to love or to like. The example given here are very simple for everyone to use them. For example, ma Nhiaar. Ma Nhiaar. Ma Nhiaar mean I love my mama. I love my mama. In Dinka we say ma Nhiaar. Ma Nhiaar. When you hear someone saying in Dinka ma Nhiaar, it means that I love my mama. And number two, wa Nhiaar. Wa Nhiaar. Wa Nhiaar. Wa Nhiaar mean I love my papa. I love my papa. I love my daddy. Yes, that is it. Wa Nhiaar. Another number three, Nyan Kai Nhiaar. Nyan Kai Nhiaar. Nyan Kai Nhiaar. Nyan Kai Nhiaar mean I love my sister. I love my sister or I like my sister. You can use Nhiaar to love or to like. Another one we need to know is Wamat Nhiaar. Wamat Nhiaar. Wamat Nhiaar mean I love my brother. I love my brother. Wamat mean brother. Nyan Kai mean sister. And Nhiaar is to love or to like. Another one we have to know is this one. And I think everyone is going to take this one. It's a very good word. Tiang dia Nhiaar apaidit. Tiang dia Nhiaar apaidit. Tiang dia Nhiaar apaidit. We get it before apaidit means so much or a lot. And tiang dia mean my wife. Nhiaar mean to love or to like. That means we can translate this one in like I love my wife so much. I love my wife so much or I like my wife so much. In Dinka we say tiang dia Nhiaar apaidit. Tiang dia Nhiaar apaidit. Very simple guys. Another one we need to know is and Nhiaar cat. And Nhiaar cat. And Nhiaar cat mean I like or I love running. I like or I love running. Cat. Cat. Cat we get it before is run or running. And mean I. And. And mean I. Nhiaar like or love cat running. And Nhiaar cat I love or like running. You can use anyone, any between like and love. Another one we need to know is Nhiaar, Daai, Kuro. Nhiaar, Daai, Kuro. Nhiaar, Daai, Kuro. The term word Daai means washing or looking, but in this one we use washing. And Nhiaar, Daai, Kuro mean I like or I love watching football. And mean I, Nhiaar mean like or love. Daai, Daai, Da-A-I-E. Daai mean watching. Kuro mean football. That's how we call it, guys. So quick recap: Nhiaar, to love or to like. Nhiaar, I love my mother or mama. Nhiaar, I love my papa. Nhiaar, I love my sister. Nhiaar, I love my brother. Nhiaar, I love my wife so much. And Nhiaar, I like love running. And Nhiaar, Daai, Kuro, I like or love watching football. The term words, let me repeat them. Nhiaar mean to love or to like. Nhiaar, to love or to like. It so much or a lot. Cat mean running. Daai mean watching. Tiang mean my wife. William. So that's the end of our topic. Thank you guys. For those of you who are going to watch it, please like, share, comment, okay, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So on Friday, remember, I'm going to bring you a very nice topic on family relationship. How to say mother by brother, etc. So it's a very good topic. So be ready on Friday. I will upload it. If I don't have anything in the morning, I will upload it, or in the evening. So I will upload it. It's a very good topic, and you need to know the term word used in relationship in Dinka language. So that's a topic that I promise you. On Friday you will get it. That one I type it in computer, and this one is a manuscript. You can see, guys, I just write it and translate it direct. Okay guys, thank you and bye for this now. Be ready and subscribe, okay? Door nyali cake awake, nyali wake dodge. Peace of God be with you, and God bless you all. Bye. William Majak.